Great Gadgets offers a variety of useful gadgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Sprint Burndown Burnup Chart gadget helps you track the progress of the current sprint or iteration, being an essential chart for any Scrum project. The series to be displayed are configurable, thus allowing you to use the gadget as a burndown, burnup, or both, providing a flexible tool to monitor your sprint progress in a truly agile way. On its Data tab, it displays a sprint report, which can be easily exported in CSV format. Now, let's see how it can be configured. Assuming that you already started the sprint, all you have to do is configure the gadget to use your Scrum board, and to display the active sprint. You have the option to select a past sprint if you want. The gadget allows you to include the subtasks in the calculation. It supports multiple estimation methods, such as story points, time estimates, issue count, or any other numerical custom field. In this example, we'll use story points. To configure it as a burndown chart, you should select only the ideal burndown, remaining, and scope series to be displayed. For your data table to show, you have to check the Show Data Table option in the More Settings tab. And here you go. The Sprint Burndown chart is now showing on your dashboard. If you prefer a burnup chart instead of a burndown, select only the ideal burnup and burn series. The gadget is highly configurable. You can choose to use custom done statuses, consider weekends as working days, or customize the colors. So, don't miss the opportunity to add this awesome gadget to your Jira dashboard.